อย่างนี้เนี่ย
I didn't did it well.
It's kind of hard to remember. It'll be like a copy, the ricordi.
เออ
How many, would you say those tamponi? We have to do many, the test, COVID test. Quanti ne hai fatti tu, amore? 17.
Wow. Lilian had maybe 3 because of school, because they had friends at school. So
Right.
they had to,
Same,
but we
same.
did once because we had to provide, and we did at home actually, and we did it and then the second time to go to the US. That's it.
No,
Did you get
many.
COVID?
Yeah, I think twice. The first time, I know. The second time, I didn't want to do the test because I was full of, I didn't want to hear about COVID. Yeah. It was maybe last fall, but the first time we had it was a little bit stronger. I mean, I had it in the worst way. For them was like the flu. For me, it was very hard to cough.
Okay.
For a long time. But
For us, it was just a big headache. Headache, and we were sleeping for 3 days, and then
was the kids or just
the kids had it, but we knew it because of tests.
but
If not,
no